Hi, my name is Anna Dolan, and I will be discussing the math strategy of the concentration numeral and dots game. The learning objective of this activity is to match numerals with corresponding quantities. This covers the early math content areas of numeral recognition, corresponding quantity, and it also helps reinforce the idea that appearance doesn't impact numbers if you have your cards showing objects in different orders. In order to create this activity, you will need 20 blank index cards, markers, and stickers if you want. To make the game, make 10 cards with numbers 1 through 10 and corresponding number of dots. For example, you would put the number 4 and underneath have 4 dots. Next, you'll need to make 10 cards with pictures of objects that correspond to the numbers 1 through 10. For this, I used stickers, but feel free to draw or print pictures of objects such as cars or stars, hearts, whatever you feel like. To play the game, take all the cards and place them face down. Take turns with the other players. Each person on their turn will draw 2 cards. They will see if the cards match, and if the object card matches the numeral card, you get to keep those 2 cards. Take turns playing until there are no cards left. The player with the most cards wins the game. As the teacher, you will monitor the game. It's a good idea to play this game with a small group of students, and as you play, make note of the students' progress. As the students gain proficiency, you can increase the number of cards and the size of the numbers. This game is similar to the memory game and could be made for other types of subjects as well. This is a great way to practice number recognition and counting. Thanks for listening to my presentation.